Hi students, we have already started the chapter Materials, Metals and Non-Metals. We studied the topics Physical properties of metals and non-metals and Chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Under Chemical properties, we studied reaction of metals and non-metals with oxygen. Today we are going to study the second chemical property, that is reaction of metals and non-metals with water. In that, first we can study reaction of metal with water. We can study the reaction of metal and water with the help of a most reactive metal, sodium and water. We can observe the experiment and observe the reactions happening during the experiment. Sodium metal is very reactive. It reacts vigorously with oxygen and water. A lot of heat is generated in the reaction. It is therefore stored in kerosene. Sodium metal is very soft. That is, it can be easily cut with a knife. On the outer part of the area, you can see a shiny appearance. Like all the metals, sodium is also a good conductor of electricity. Let's observe the experiment of sodium metal placed in water. You observe that sodium reacts vigorously with water. So students, how can you write the reaction between sodium and water? Sodium metal and water react to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Na is a symbol for sodium metal and H2O represents water. The products we are getting is sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, and hydrogen gas, that is H2. Students, how can we conclude the reaction? We can say that generally all metals react with water to produce corresponding metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. A non-metal react with water, generally there is no reaction. Students, what will be the nature of metal hydroxide? It is observed that when sodium hydroxide is dropped on red and blue litmus paper, red litmus changed to blue. So it is clear for you that basic solution turns red litmus to blue. So sodium hydroxide is having basic nature. Metals do not react with water, but they are very reactive in air. Such nonmetals are stored in water. For example, phosphorus is a very reactive nonmetal which is solid in state. Phosphorus is a highly reactive nonmetal and must be stored under water for safekeeping to prevent it from catching fire spontaneously in air.